After getting a great response from you all lovely viewers on my previous recipe, a quick vegetarian high in protein meal. So thought to share this recipe with you, which I often give it to my husband before or after his workout. Because it's a very easy recipe with few ingredients, a truly quick, healthy protein pack and tasty Indian vegetarian lunch, dinner or breakfast that gets ready in just 20 minutes. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe. Before that, let me share the ingredients with you. And the ingredients are cumin powder, Chat Masala, salt, some onion chopped, tomato chopped, roasted chana powder, fresh coriander leaves, green chili and sprouted moong. Though to get the sprouted moong, you need to hang the soaked moong in a moist cloth for 10 to 12 hours or till you see the sprout coming out of the muslin cloth. Now, place 1 cup of sprouted moong in a mixer grinder. Into it, add 2 green chilies. Obviously, depend upon your taste, but if you don't want, you just ignore it. Then add handful of fresh coriander leaves. With that, you can also add 2 tablespoons of water and make a fine paste with the help of this grinder. After that, remove this paste into a big bowl where you will mix everything. After transferring this mixture into a big mixing bowl, then into it add half cup of water while washing the mixer grinder so that nothing go waste. Then add 2 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Now add some basic spices, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per your taste, and then add 1 cup of roasted chana or besan. After that, you need to add 1 cup of water, though you already add half cup of water while washing the mixer grinder. At last, again add another half cup of water. So the proportion will be 1:1. After mixing it well, it should not be too runny or too thick. Just check the consistency, and this way, if you do, you will get the exact ratio. Though remember that once you are done with the batter, no need to give a standing time. Directly pour this into a heated tawa. Before that, grease the non-stick pan with 1 teaspoon of oil, and with this 1 teaspoon you can make the entire batter chillas. Now slowly pour this batter into the middle and even it with some more batter so that it looks like a perfect circle. But that is not a mandatory, I am just telling you. After pouring the batter, wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you need to flip and cook like this for 1 or 2 times or until it turns golden and crisp from both the sides, and your flame should be medium to low. Next, remove this from the heated tawa and serve it. Though let me show you, after removing this chilla into that same pan, add another scoop, but meanwhile you need to reduce the flame to low and then add another scoop of batter, and in the same manner you need to cook and finish with the entire batter. Though if you want to store the batter, you can also store in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days maximum. Though in the second one, I like to show you that how easily I can turn it upside down without adding a single drop of water, and this way I will finish with the entire batter. So finally, this superfood sprouted moong and besan ki chilla is ready to serve with yogurt, and those who are managing their weight, for them this is a super healthy, rich in protein vegetarian dish which you can try at any time of the day. And those who are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next recipe, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, bye-bye.